Psalm 68 verse 8 says, "When God moves, the earth trembles. Every limitation loses its grip. His presence breaks chains and opens doors." You are entering a season where nothing can hold you back. God is shifting things for you. Believe it.
When God rises, every enemy scatters. Declare, God is rising in my life. Your battles are shifting, your path is clearing, and your destiny is awakening. God's movement guarantees your victory.
Blessed be the Lord who daily carries your burdens. You are not alone. God lifts what you cannot lift, restores what seems lost, and strengthens your weak places. He is holding you up.
God is a father to the fatherless and defender of the weak. You are not abandoned. Heaven surrounds you with protection and love. Walk boldly. God himself is covering you.
God sets the lonely in families. Even if you feel isolated, heaven is arranging divine connections and helpers. God places you where you will grow, belong, and fulfill purpose. See? When God goes before you, the wilderness becomes a pathway. Dry seasons turn to testimonies. God leads, guides, and breaks barriers ahead of you. Your difficult places are becoming victory stories.
Sent abundant rain, O God. Your dry season is ending. Heaven is releasing refreshing, strength, ideas, favor, restoration. Expect overflow, renewal, and transformation. His rain is falling on you today.
68 verse 35 says, God gives power and strength to his people. You may feel weak, but you are not powerless. Heaven backs you. God is renewing your strength, your courage, and your clarity. Rise, victory is yours.
Psalm 68 verse 19 says, God loads you daily with benefits, favor, mercy, opportunities, protection. Today is not empty. Heaven prepared blessings with your name on them. Step into this day with expectation and confidence. Step into this day with expectation. Our God is a God of salvation and deliverance. No challenge is beyond his reach. He rescues, restores, and lifts those who trust him. Your breakthrough is drawing near. He fights for you.
Beloved, if your heart beats for the things of God, this family is for you. Join our community, speak in the comments, and share this message with someone who needs it. Follow us across all platforms. Check the bio for links. God bless.